Well, Leslie Carretti is here, and of course, she is with Wellness in the Woods, among other things. And today we're talking about a Mind Booster course that's going to be coming up, a 4-week course designed to help you keep your mind active. And we'd like to have you on and talk about all your different things, because you do so much.
Oh, thank you, Ken. You know, I appreciate the opportunity, but let me tell you, it is one of the most talked about things in the village right now, is the brain.
Yeah.
And what we're going to do with it, and what it's happening with it, and how we can prolong it. And I mean, it just seems like everyone is so interested. So this is the 3rd year that we've done this course. It is amazing because you learn so much. And every single week, it's a 4-week course, as you said, and every single week we learn different things, and we have professional doctors that speak. So the first week we're going to be talking about memory loss and maintaining your skills and, you know, how to keep the floodgates closed.
Right. Yeah. Very important.
Yeah, it's very important. And, you know, then as we go on, the first week is a neurologist, and you will not believe some of the things that we will learn. I mean, everybody talks about Alzheimer's, but they didn't know that there's 50 other different methods of having dementia.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, so it's very exciting. The cost of the event is only $35 per person for all 4 weeks, and I'm trying to get Mother's Market to help with some healthy food.
Oh, that would be nice.
You know, so they had said yes, they would love to do that. So.
Very good.
You know, it won't increase our cost in any way, but it will actually just be that little extra touch of niceness for the community.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go on and talk about superfoods and a nutritionist and, oh my God.
All kinds of different things.
Yes, yes.
And I want to mention before I forget, although it is on the screen behind us, which we didn't notice before, but this is in March.
Yes.
And you can see Saturdays, same time, same place. So every Saturday in March at Clubhouse 7 at 9 o'clock till noon.
Right, right.
Yeah, so it makes it very easy.
Yeah, it makes it easy for us to, you know where it is. Most of our main events are at Clubhouse 7. And
you know, you even have on one of these, you know, week 3, cognitive tools for mental health resources.
Yes.
Which is fantastic.
Yes.
And then the final one is legal issues and planning for the future, which is important.
Yes, yes. We have an attorney who specializes for seniors. And as I said, I have done this a couple of times.
Who's coming in for that?
This one.
The elder law attorney.
Yeah, the elder. She is, Faye.
Faye Bay.
Yes,
yeah, I know Faye.
Yes.
She's
Faye.
excellent.
She is excellent.
Yes, I do know her.
And some of the things that she tells us are so simple.
Yeah.
That nobody else ever talks about.
Yeah,
I mean,
she's fantastic.
She knows how to get all the little pieces of paper in order.
Yes.
You know, so that everything is done properly.
Yeah. That'll be that's worth the price right there.
Yeah, just talking to Faye is worth.
Or just seeing Leslie is worth the price. But.
No, it's going to be a great way to end
really
the course.
Nice.
Yes, and also the exercise. We have another person coming in, and we will learn how to do exercises at home that are easy and no stress, relieve stress, and get a workout without leaving your chair.
Yeah, and you know what's easy nowadays are people who have their phones or their tablets or anything like that.
Yes.
And there's so many things that you can download for free that help you with your mind.
Yes.
Different kinds of puzzles and things like that. And it's really kind of a neat thing.
Yes, it
that
is.
Is there. And you can, anytime you want to engage your mind and learn something new, even if it's very simplistic, it helps.
Yes. And you are so right. It's always about learning something new, because otherwise we just get stagnant.
Yeah.
I mean, it's the same way with exercise. I mean, you don't have to run a marathon.
No.
You just have to walk, you know, around the corner.
Yeah, that's all you have to do. So if people want to sign up for this, they can register by contacting you, Leslie Carretti at yahoo.com, and then call you at 949 209-8846.
Right, right.
And do this soon, even though it comes up on not until March 7th. You know, that's like about 3 weeks from now, but still, you know, sign up.
Yeah,
so
there
she
is
has a
limited
number.
space available.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure that people are seated properly, that we have, you know, enough brochures, because we will give information for every single session. We'll give a packet of information so people do not have to write every
Yeah.
single word down, because we'll actually give slides of all of the doctors,
Yeah.
what they're talking about. So we want to make sure that the packets are made so that everyone has, you know, completed information.
Very good. You do a lot of good stuff. You know, I kid her a lot because she does trade. Do I ever kid you?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she, you know, she does the trading post with Annie on Thursdays. But you really do a lot. You know.
Well, you know, it's after my mom passed, I realized the importance of, you know, keeping your health.
Yeah.
And so, you know, I'm just an advocate for actually just being prepared.
Yeah. Yeah. Simple as that.
Just simple
Yeah.
as that, yeah.
Very good. Good to see you. I know I'll see
Thank
you
you,
next
Ken.
Thursday, I think.
Yes, I'll be here.
Yes, barely. She'll barely make it, but we know. Good to see you, Leslie, as
Thanks.
always. You
Thanks,
take care.
Ken. Thanks.
We'll be right back.
Mama used to